right, y'all, for smaller jobs, in this case it was 2 columns, I just quickly pop the balloons from where the pole is attached to the base, and then I just throw the whole column in the truck so that when I get back to the shop, I can simply pop them so I don't have to stay on site. So I'm going to show you a quick way to make my cleanup easy, so stay tuned. So once I put the column in the bag, I go ahead and hold on to, you'll see the pole, right, on the other end. So I'll hold that, but I'm going to pop the balloons while they're in this bag. Now, a wire brush is ideal, but of course, right now, I can't get a hold of my wire brush. It's probably in my bag over there, but I just wanted to get this done quick. So let me show y'all. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Oh, quick way to get these balloons. Now, wire brush will be so quick, right? But as you see, all of the latex will already be in the bag, okay? And then if you're on site, you don't want to be making this popping noise because it sounds like gunshot. And then you also have people that have PTSD, so it's not ideal. Now, if you are on site, let's lift this up. If you are on site and you have to discard because you don't have a large enough vehicle, then you can either go outside to do it. And if you're doing it inside or even outside in that case, go ahead, take your scissors and simply cut where the neck is. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna cut right there, and then it's just gonna deflate. So therefore, you don't get all that popping, okay? So this was a quick video just to show you a quick cleanup hack. And again, try not to pop on site to save you time. And if you do, again, consider the fact that people have PTSD, so don't do that popping noise. I learned that the hard way. I was at a school and I wasn't thinking, and I did that, and everyone came running into the hall, and I said, oh my gosh. So that was how I learned that that wasn't a good idea. And then I transfer it to a smaller bag because I ain't need all that bag. All right, y'all. Hope that tip helps you. Bye, y'all.